How can I remove the problem of daydreaming?
Are you daydreaming and knowing that it is daydreaming? No, it's not possible. You know that you have been dreaming after the dreaming ceases. After the dreaming ceases, right? Correct? Correct. Now you are obviously helpless when the process of dreaming is on. So I have nothing to say in that matter. You see, if a sleeping person says, "How do I wake up?" Now when he is sleeping, at that moment, can he do anything to wake up? When you are sleeping, then can you do anything to wake up? You are sleeping, can you do something to wake up? You can't. You can do something to wake up only when you have already woken up. You can do something to wake up only when you have already woken up. And you know that you are likely to go into sleep sometime soon. And what do you do then? How do you ensure that you will wake up in time even when sleep is over you? What do you do? What do you do? You set up an alarm clock, right? So don't ask me, how do I take care of my sleep? After having lapsed into sleep, you can't do much. But you can do something when you are awake. If you have known that you have this tendency to daydream, if you have known that you have this tendency to daydream, then do something when you are not daydreaming. What to do? Create alarms. Create alarms. What is an alarm? An alarm is a reminder. What is an alarm? An alarm is a reminder. Create reminders. Create reminders. These are small techniques. Have something written as your email signature. Subscribe to a web service that sends you daily quotes. You will open your inbox and you will find something there which will wake you up. Surround yourself with people who are awake, who don't keep daydreaming. Have something nice written upon your wall. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Create alarms, create reminders. Set something nice as your wallpaper on your laptop, which reminds you instantly.